Hey friends, welcome back to Decorate Your Life. I'm so glad you're here because today is a very special video. Today I'm sharing a sweet little paper crafting project I've been working on. A Memorydex Box Album featuring our new 5x5 paper collection, Tasty Treats by Decorate Your Life. But first I'd like to remind you that it's our official Decorate Your Life 2025 Brand Ambassador Call. If you love crafting, sharing, and inspiring others, we would love to have you on our team. You can learn more about the requirements and how to apply using the link in the description box below.
Decorate your life with colors blue and white, stitching joy in every page, from morning into night. Decorate your life where memories take flight, with shabby chic and whimsy sweet, it all feels just right. A little pen, a journal page, ideas bloom across the stage. No pressure here, just love and fun, and room for everyone.
This was so fun to make. I used a bunch of my forgotten Memorydex dies. You know, the ones that have been sitting in the back of the shelves for way too long? Yep, those. I ended up making 7 different Memorydex cards, each one shaped differently and decorated with goodies from my store and personal craft stash. Flatback pearls, bows, appliques, pink florals, you name it. Once I had my cards done, I stacked them upright and measured out the width, depth, and height I'd need to make this coordinating display box to hold them all together. I love how it turned out. So cute and compact, like a photo album in a box. The paper collection I used is my Tasty Treats 5x5 paper pad. I highly encourage you to use your small paper packs to make these types of projects. The smaller size makes it super easy to cover your Memorydex bases and box without much trimming or waste. If you'd like to see a tutorial or maybe even a little video series showing how I built the box and used my craft dies, let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to share the process if there's interest. And if you're looking for unique paper collections and embellishments for your own projects, I have supplies available in my shop. My paper collections you won't find anywhere else. They're designed by me with paper crafters in mind. You can find all the links to my shop, blog, and Facebook group down below in the description box. I hope this inspires you to break out your craft supplies and get creative with your paper pads, cardstock, and embellishments. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know which one is your favorite Memorydex card, or if you'd like to see more Memorydex projects. And as always, keep crafting, keep smiling, keep spreading the love, and let's make something beautiful. I hope you have a blessed week. Enjoy the rest of the video.
When you wanna add a little sparkle, when you need a little shine, come on over, grab your scissors, let's create and make it fly. Paper dreams and pretty things, ideas start to come alive. With Sandy's touch and magic hands, you're ready to dive inside. Decorate your life, make it beautiful and bright. With paper lace and lovely things, we'll craft it through the night. Decorate your life, Sandy's showing you the way. With pictorious ideas, giveaways, let's craft today.